guys, this is Review Destination and I am Kshitij, and today we are going to unbox the MI car charger. So this is a premium looking car charger because it's made of full of metal and it has fast charging, so I really purchased it. Other fast chargers are made up of plastic and are cheap looking, so I really did not want to purchase something that looks cheap, and this is a premium looking one. So as you can see, it's completely made up of metal. I have to remove this, and here is the car charger itself. Let's see what else we have. Okay, here we have some foam and some paperwork, user manual and all. So yeah, so now let's keep everything to the side and let's talk about the pricing. And the price quoted on the box is $9.99. so this is premium looking and a bit inexpensive also. I'm not very cheap, because I've seen in the market that most fast car chargers are something around 1500 or 1200, and this is a dual USB port charger completely made up of metal. I'm branding over here, so it really looks premium. Now let's test it. So as it's a car charger video, we need to test this with the cars. Not this one, it has enough USB ports in it. We want to test with this one because it doesn't get USB ports. So let's do it. So let's find the port over here, and the port is down over here, and let's plug this in like this. Really how it goes. I'm using this for the first time, so yeah. And actually this port glows. I really did not know it, so that's great. And let's bring my phone over here. This is the S8, and it has fast charging, as everybody knows. So let's put this in the USB port up here. Yeah, it's like this only. I don't know why it's not going. I think it is jammed or what. Yeah, it was a bit tight. So now let's again put this over here. So the cable is also in and the charger is also in there. And now let's connect my phone to it. It's not giving any message. It says it's charging, but it's supposed to show me fast charge. I don't know why it's not fast charging. It's again saying charging only. So maybe it's the difference about the port or what it is. Let's see. I'll put it in the another port. I'll put in the other port over here. Actually both the ports are very tight. Now let's again put it in there. Let's see the message on the phone. Let's again put this in there. Again it's charging only. I don't know why it's not fast charging, which it's supposed to. So yeah, thanks for watching guys, and this is Kshitij signing off, and I hope to see you in my next video.